እስቲ ተወት እናርገውና እድል እንስጠው ሪቨርስ እንዲያደርግ። The guy continue to drive in it. Will he reverse? No. Will he even hit the brake? He hit the brake. Pretoria ላይ he hit the brake briefly. ትንሽ ነገሮች ቀለል ሲሉለት he stepped on the gas. So the alternative is worse. We must force him, not only him, the system, first and foremost to stop war. አብይ ጦርነት እንዲያቆም መገደድ አለበት። ጦርነት አብይ ጦርነት አቆመ ካላቆመ ለአብይ ተብሎ ለአንድ ሰው ተብሎ የህዝባችን መከራ የህዝባችን መፍረስ መበታተን ማየት ስለሌለብን we have to look for alternative without him. Look, the discussion I want Ethiopians to have is removing Abiy is not that complicated. It's not complicated. The reason everybody is watching is what then? Kazas. That's why I want people to discuss about post-Abiy Ethiopia. What kind of political system? What kind of situation we want to create? We are getting there now. You know, what is sobering for Ethiopians? 2018 እስከ 2022 ኢትዮጵያ ኮሌክቲቭሊ ነበር ያበድነው ማለት ይቻላል። We are in some sort of collective psychosis. ሰዎች እኮ do you guys go back and watch some of those videos? It is terrifying what our people አውሬ ነው የሆነው. We became so pro-war. Then war came home. The wars in the past were fought either in Eritrean desert, Ogaden desert, Bale, Hararge, Sudan border in Begi. Today wars are fought everywhere in most densely populated areas. Days has reached everybody's home. Kidnapping has reached everybody's home. This has humbled the Ethiopian people. It has humbled the Ethiopian elites. I think now the Ethiopian elite, political elites have sobered down. ጥራዝ ይዞ መሮጡ ሰው መደማመጥ ጀምሯል። ሰው እየሳክኗል ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ሜቢ አብይና አንድ ሁለት ሰው ይሆኑ ነው። ሰው ሳክኗል። ጫካ ያሉት ልጆች ያቸው ሳክነዋል። ትግራይ ውስጥ አሁን እየተደረገ ያለው ውጥረት የዛሬ 5 ዓመት ቢሆን ኦሬዲ ጦርነት መጫረስ ጀምሮ ነበር። ጦርነት it has sobered us. We have learned the hard way the limits of violence, the danger and limits of violence. So I think opportunity has come. And this is what threatens Abiy, when people sober down and discuss. About the Oromo elites. Are there Oromo elites benefiting from the system? Absolutely. Oh, the core of PDO elites have replaced TPLF. Are they benefiting? As oligarchy being created? Yes. But also don't forget, Abiy created oligarchies in every region. He has created oligarchies everywhere. His representatives in every region who suck the blood of their own people. አሁን እኮ ስልጣን ላይ ያለው ቡድን የዘራፊዎች የቀማኛዎች ቡድን እኮ ነው። የሚገርም ነገር እኮ ነው። I don't know how to explain it. ህዋቶች ይዘርፉ ነበር፣ ሌቦች ነበሩ፣ ምንም ጥያቄ የለውም። ግን አይን አውጣ አልነበሩም እንደነኚህ። ይሄ ግን ኦሮሞዎቹ ብቻ አይደሉም ጓዶች። ጎቱ ጉራጌ ዞን ምንድን ነው የምታገኘው? ጎቱ ወላይታ what do you find? ጎቱ ሲዳማ አሁን እኮ ትግራይ ውስጥ ያለ ለማመስረት እየሞከረ እኮ ነው። that's what ረብሻ የፈጠረው። so his entire philosophy ሁሌ እኮ ምን ይለን ነበር? የሰው ልጅ ማንኛውም ሰው ከገንዘብና ከስልጣን አያልፍም። the difference is the price. ቤዚክ የሆነ ኤርፖርት መገዛው መጽሐፍ ላይ የሚጻፉ ነገሮች አሉ አይደል? he had that view, so he has created in every community. So but ብራግ ለማድረግ ሳይሆን መጀመሪያ የአብይን አካሄድ እምቢ ያለው ኦሮሞ ነው ከማንም በፊት። ዛሬም ቢሆን የሚያጨበጭብለት ኦሮሞ የለም። ተወሰኑ አካባቢ ያሉ ናቸው እንጂ we fought ቅድም አንተ እንዳልከው ሉላ እንዳለው during the Tigray war the Oromos was the loudest voice. I want Oromos to be the loudest voice even now for what's happening in Amhara region. That is morally responsible. So are there groups who benefit? Yes. ኦሮሞ እኮ ጓዶች ይዘኑልን በሁለት እኮ የተጎዳ ነው። አንዱ ጦርነት እኛ ጋር ከተጀመረ 6 ዓመቱ ነው። war started right away. This guy killed more Oromos than any of the previous regimes combined. ኦሮሚያ ውስጥ ያለው የጭቆና ብዛት አይነት ጥልቀትና አስጠሊነት ያሳፍራል ለመናገር። የግድያው አይነት እኮ ኦሮሚያ ውስጥ ጓዶች የግድያው አይነት የአቢዩዙ አይነት ሶ በአንድ ወገን እንዲህ አቢዩዝ ይደረጋል ህዝባችን፣ በሌላ ግን በእኛ ስም በየተለያዩ ክልል ይጨቁናል። እናንተ ደግሞ ይሄ የኦሮሞ መንግስት እያላችሁ ትረግሙናላችሁ። we get screwed from both sides, you know. So that's why ኦሮሞም ለሌላው ማህበረሰብ ሲምፓቲ ይኖር፣ እናንተም ለኛ ሲምፓቲ ይኖራችሁ because we are suffering both. ፈጠን አድርገው ከሌሎች ጋር ተጣምረህ ለምን አሰራም? ሰራለሁ፣ እየሰራውም ነው። My job, my skills is to analyze, to agitate, to encourage, to create space. ሰው እኮ አድቫንቴጅ ጥንካሬውን ማየት አለበት። I create space. ያን ስፔስ ተጠቀሙበት፣ ተጠቀሙብኝ ነው። when I went to Ethiopia ያ ነው አንዱ ስለ ነበረው ያለኝን ልምድ ያለኝን ትምህርት ማንንም ለማካፈል ሬዲ ነኝ፣ ከማንም ጋር ለመተባበር ሬዲ ነኝ። because እዛ ሀገር ውስጥ ሁሉም ካልተባበረ በስተቀር አብይ ከህወሓት ጋር መፋጠጥ ሲጀምር ብዙ ሰው ጦርነቱ ትግራይ ላይ የሚቀር ነው የመሰለው። it destroyed the whole country. therefore መተባበር ግዴታ ነው። I explained how this can be achieved. The first thing is to reach a consensus on primacy and priority of peace. That is very important. Then we exert a unified pressure. አብይ በጸሎትም ሆነ በሌላ ነገር ተስተካክሎ ሰላም ካመጣ አመጣ፣ ካልሆነ ግን አብረውት ያሉት ሰዎች አብረው ገደል ከመግባትና ሀገር የሚይዘው ገደል ከመግባት መፍትሄ ማምጣት፣ ያ ካልሆነ ግን ህዝባችንን አስተባብረን ህዝባችንና ሀገራችንን እናድናለን። ጋፊን ዱመረ ነጋፈተን ወይ ነሞተ ጋፈ ቀሮ አጀፈማ ነመ ፊጣ ቱረን you see we try to do what we thought was better. ወደ ጦርነት እንዳንገባ ነው የፈራነው። ያኔ የእርስ በርስ ጦርነቱ እንዳንገባ ስለፈራን ሰው ሲገሉ የነበሩ ሰው ሲዘርፉ የነበሩ ካድሬዎችን፣ ፖሊሶችን፣ ወታደሮችን step by step we want a transition. In that transition, transitional justice and peace and reconciliation. Without transition, there can be no transitional justice. Without transitional justice, there can be no reconciliation. That's what Tigray is learning the hard way. Transition ካልመጣ በተለይ ደግሞ በሀገር ደረጃ ትራንዚሽን እስካልመጣ ድረስ ትራንዚሽናል ጀስቲስ ሊመጣ አይችልም። ትራንዚሽናል ጀስቲስ እስካልመጣ ድረስ ደግሞ ሪኮንሲሊየሽን እርቅ ሊመጣ አይችልም። እርቅ እስካልመጣ ድረስ ሀገር ወደፊት ማምጣት ከባድ ነው። ሀናው በለሰግያ ኑዮ ጋር ሰንከበር ባኔ ወረስርና ከይሰ ይሩካና ከነም ፊጣቱ ረካና ኒ አደብነ የለው ከይት ዱም ታቴ ጭጨኒቲ ምድር ዳበተን ከናፉ ቶኮ ለማፋ ጨውምሲ ጋፈ ዱፌ ነሞኒ ትራንዚሽናል ጀስቲስ ቢፈጀሙን ሃይቲ ባቴ ከሚዲ አደበሜ ከሚዳቤ ወልአነሜ ሰምቦዳ አራሬ ከብያት ቡኤ ሰምቦዳ ደምና አመበር ዋና ያቺ ማለከ ደቤተኒ miidhaan Oromiyaa keessatti baroota dabre kana ta'e amma dhiyoo kana namoonni dhufanii turan gaafa biyya dhaqe. Jaarsonni maal laan jaan? Akkamatti araaramne qe'ee jiraannadha. Nama wal ficcisiisanii bara. Abbaan milishaa ilmi waboo. Yoo ijoolleen nama tokko achii ajjeefte waraana keessatti dhufanii maatii sana ajjeesan. Namni keenya dhiiga wal dibe akka malee. It's going to be very difficult. I don't want to lie to you. The future reconciliation madaa nuti walirra uumne kana fayyisuun waan lafaan ta'u. Hojii guddaa gaafata. Garuu immoo sanuu dhaquudhaaf immoo dura dhiigni hogga dhaabatee booda maal goota? Faashaa itti hiita. Dhiiga hoggaa fayyee godaannisa hafe godaannisa san amma gaakimoonni jirtanii sarjariidhaan fayyisuu dandeenya. Ati godaannisa akkamitti fayyifna kanaan jechaa jirtu? An maaliif jechaa jira? Mee dhiiga haa dhaabnu. Amma dhiiga haa dhaabnu. Dhiiga naqamu. Dhiigni haa rajjiguun haa dhaabbatu. Because that will be important for the life. Then we can take step by step towards curing, towards repairing the damage. The question, because the young man asked me about how to promote our identity. I want to be very honest, and I always say this in Afan Oromo. I want you to hear it. People can have multiple identities. You are an Oromo, now you are in America. Take the best of Oromo culture, not everything. Take the best of it. For example, we always go to meeting late. Don't take that part of us. Take the best of Oromo culture and values, and also take the best of American culture and values. Combine it so that you become a good Oromo American. So completely rejecting the culture of the society that we reside among is counterproductive. Also, in Ethiopia, eventually what we aspire, Oromos have their culture, Wolaitas have their culture, we don't want it to remain segregated. We want cultural integration. Eventually, voluntary cultural integration that's promoted through commerce, through social ties, through social engineering, through democratization. Eventually, we can have sub-Wolaita culture, but also a pan-Ethiopian culture that's a mosaic, multicultural Ethiopia. We can create something down the road. Not during our lifetime, probably down the road. So, I wish I can elaborate more, but we don't have the time. Oromo, hedduu galatooma. Wanni ani isin dhaamu ba'aan amma nuti keessa jirru, rakkoon nuti amma keessa jirru ba'aa Oromiyaatis ba'aa Itoophiyaatis irraa qabna. Kana beekuun tokko. If qofaaf osoo hin ta'in maqaa keenya yakki dalagamaa waan jiruuf rakkoo uummata biraa furuuf illee dirqama qabna. Keessattuu obsa naa qabaadhaa. Atakaaroo falmii durgoonu san wal jidduutti isaa irrattu dibeet naa jiraatu constructive bifa ta'e. Garuu wal morkiin walitti iyyuun rogeeyyii saboota biraa wajjin godhamu hirrachuudha qaba. Wal jidduutti walii obsuu, wal danda'uu, community keessan cimsuu, charchi keessan cimsuu, masgida keessan cimsuu, dalagachuu, wal gargaaruun cimuudha qaba. Challenge in Gudda. We probably have 2018. We probably have 50% chance of creating a better future. This guy has reduced it probably to 10%, but I don't want to give up on 10% because if we work hard, smart, if we wise up, we can increase that chance to 20, 30, 40. Just by stopping the war, we can increase our odds to 30, 40%.